Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clear caches in Slack. If your Slack app is running slow, freezing, or acting a bit weird on your Android phone, it might be because the app's cache is taking too much space. This can cause performance issues, but don't worry, clearing the cache is super easy and takes just a few seconds. Let's get started. First of all, open your phone and head to Phone Settings. Now, scroll down and look for Apps. Then tap on it. Next, find Slack in the list of apps. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to find it easier. Once you see Slack, tap on it. Now, tap on Storage. This will show you how much space the app is using. Here, you will see the options to clear cache. Tap on it and all the temporary files will be deleted. This won't affect your message or account. It just removes unnecessary data that can slow things down. And that's it. You have successfully cleared the Slack app's cache and your app should now run smoother and faster. If this video helped, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.